big breaking news that's coming in. Swati Maliwal is seen outside ex-Chief Minister, ex-Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where she's seen dumping garbage outside Kejriwal's residence. These are the live visuals from Delhi. Now remember, Swati Maliwal also alleged that she was beaten, manhandled by the Aam Aadmi Party while she was overlooking the women's department in Delhi during the Aam Aadmi Party government under Arvind Kejriwal's chief ministerialship. And these are the live visuals where Swati Maliwal is now seen throwing garbage outside Kejriwal's residence. In fact, humans...
आप कूड़ा नहीं डाल सकते और न ही इस तरीके से आप प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं। आपके आपको बार बार चेतावनी दी जा रही है, कृपया यहाँ से डिस्पर्स हो जाएं और इन गाड़ियों को हटाएं। आपके प्रोटेस्ट के कारण इस सड़क को रोक दिया गया है, जिससे ट्रैफिक में भी व्यवधान उत्पन्न हुआ है। आम जन को काफी असुविधा हो रही है, कृपया इस तरीके से कूड़ा ना डालें, अपनी कूड़ा गाड़ियों।
Swati Maliwal, now remember, viewers, had also alleged in 2024 in August that after the Chief Minister, then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was present with his close aide Bibhav Kumar when she was allegedly assaulted. For now, viewers, it's time to cut into a short break. She's been escorted away by the police in Delhi, being carried as she was dumping garbage outside ex-Chief Minister Kejriwal's residence in Delhi. The police is detaining Swati Maliwal. They're carrying her ruthlessly while she was throwing garbage outside ex-Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Now remember, this is the same woman who had alleged that she was manhandled by the Aam Aadmi Party. We are also being joined by Riyanka, who will tell us more about what is happening. Riyanka, give us the details. In a swift action, the Delhi police has now taken Swati Maliwal. She has been detained, she's been carried, and she's trying to resist it. But the police continues to remain on it. Talk to us about it, Riyanka.
Well, there are several developments that are happening ahead of the elections in the national capital, and Arvind Kejriwal has been quite cornered. And what we know
आज पूरी तरीके से आज पूरी दिल्ली कूड़ेदान बन गई है। मैं यहाँ पर आई थी, मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से मिलने आई हूँ। ये कूड़ा कहाँ फेंके दिल्ली, और ये जो कूड़े का उपहार दिल्ली ने उन्हें दे रखा है ना, सुधर जाओ नहीं तो जनता सुधार देगी। और मैं ना इनके गुंडों से डरती, ना इनकी पुलिस से डरती। बहुत जरूरी है कि
जिस तरीके से आप देख।
That was Swati Maliwal's big statement. She said that Arvind Kejriwal's government, the Aam Aadmi Party, has changed the entire Delhi's face, where Delhi looks like a garbage dump. And now in protest, she was outside ex-Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence dumping garbage. Riyanka, talk to us more about this now that Swati Maliwal has also been detained by the Delhi police. Riyanka.
absolutely several developments are happening on that front, and as we know that elections are around the corner, Arvind Kejriwal has been quite cornered, and Swati Maliwal has in fact very clearly earlier also said that she will be picking up all the garbage and throwing it in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, which as per the visuals also we saw that a very dramatic moment happening where
Swati Maliwal had in fact reached Kejriwal's residence, and she had in fact dumped all tried to dump the garbage outside Kejriwal's residence, and in a retaliation the Delhi police has detained her. So several such developments are coming in, and she is saying that if Kejriwal doesn't clean firstly the Yamuna, secondly the garbage that the national capital is in fact facing, the people of the capital are facing, then the people will not vote for him and he is going to lose the elections. In fact, we know that Swati Maliwal has been cornering Arvind Kejriwal at several such issues that the people of the national capital are facing.
Right, some connectivity issues there. But Swati Maliwal also tweeted before this, where she said that the entire Delhi In fact, Vikaspuri areas for years have been turned into heaps of garbage and people are constantly under the wrath of filth and stink. And she said that in a protest launching today, she said that now Arvind Kejriwal, the ex-Chief Minister of Delhi, will have to face the same situation outside of his residence. These are the visuals just moments ago when Swati Maliwal was picked up by the Delhi police. Riyanka continues to be with us on the broadcast. Riyanka, lost you there for a bit. Continue from where you left. Riyanka, tell us more.
Absolutely, the dramatic visuals that we are showing our viewers where Swati Maliwal has been detained by Delhi police as she tried to bring in the reality that the people of the Delhi are facing in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where she said that several areas in the national capital have become a heap of the garbage and that the Aam Aadmi Party had promised to clean the national capital, in fact clean the Yamuna. Nothing of that sort has happened, which is why Kejriwal must face what the people of the national capital are facing. Now, these dramatic visuals are in fact coming in from outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where Swati Maliwal had tried to bring in the garbage and dump at his outside his residence, but in retaliation, the Delhi police, in order to maintain the security, had gone ahead and detained Swati Maliwal. We are expecting more such dramatic visuals to come forward, but Maliwal says that Arvind Kejriwal will have to face what the people of the national capital have been facing since so many years, as he could not keep up to his promises.
Right, Riyanka. In fact, these viewers are the visuals where she was detained by the Delhi police. Despite that, while being taken away in the police van, Swati Maliwal had said that she is not afraid of the Aam Aadmi Party goons and she is not afraid of the ex-Chief Minister and AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. This move comes as her protest against the Aam Aadmi Party's handling of the garbage in Delhi. She said that the entire Delhi has been changed into a big garbage heap. That is Swati Maliwal, who is being carried by the Delhi police. Women constables are seen carrying her and pushing her inside the police van to detain her, even as she tried to resist the detention. After being detained, her first statement to the media, where she said that she is not afraid of Aam Aadmi Party goons. Now, remember, viewers, this comes when Delhi is all set to go to polls in less than a week. And Swati Maliwal also said in her statement that Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party will get an answer from the public side. Riyanka continues to join us on the broadcast. Riyanka, talk to us about this in context of the Delhi polls, where Delhi is all set to vote on the 5th of February. Riyanka.
Right, as the election is quite heated up and is round the corner in the national capital, where people of Delhi will be voting on 5th of February. And ahead of this, we are seeing that there are several issues and the promises that were made by Kejriwal in his 2 terms, how they have not come into action. He is facing all such attacks from the side of BJP and now from Swati Maliwal as well. In fact, the Congress party has also cornered Kejriwal for not being able to fulfill his promises and, not making Delhi as clean. In fact, Kejriwal has been facing immense backlash for his promises of cleaning the Yamuna, which also he couldn't,
Right,
which is
Priyanka.
why we are...
Right. We're also being joined by Manjinder Singh Sirsa from the BJP on the phone line to get us more on this story. Sir, thank you for speaking to Republic. Talk to us about what Swati Maliwal was trying to do with her protest today after being brutally detained by the Delhi police. Sir.
So first of all, this is the reality of Delhi. This is the reality of Delhi. Delhi has been a slum, has been made a slum by Arvind Kejriwal. The day he took over the Delhi is no more a beautiful Delhi, it's just one of the slum of Delhi. So, Swati Maliwal is raising her issue, the way she raised the issue might not be the right way, but one thing is for sure, that this is the true picture of Delhi, and Arvind Kejriwal is responsible for all this mess and dirtiness of Delhi. So he has made this Delhi a total slum Delhi.
Right, sir. In fact, how do you see this situation panning out for the Aam Aadmi Party at a point where Delhi is set to go to polls in just less than a week?
So actually everybody is now aware, but definitely what Swati Maliwal said is true, but everybody is aware that what Arvind Kejriwal did is, this is the one thing he has given to Delhi, that is a slum and the dirtiness to Delhi. The entire Delhi has collapsed like anything. There are no more roads. That the sewers are all blocked. There is no more drinking water in Delhi. So he has created this mess. I think Delhi people of Delhi will vote for change, and definitely they'll vote against Arvind Kejriwal.
Right, sir. In fact, also, it is important to note that every time something that has troubled the people of Delhi, the action has always been in the balance. But this one time, when Swati Maliwal launched a protest outside the ex-chief minister's residence, immediately the Delhi police swung in action and took her for detention. Sir, also speak to us about this.
See, actually, I'm not aware of that what went out there, but being a chief minister, also have security compulsions for that reason also. But her protest is not the way she protested is nothing. I don't feel there is anything wrong in this, because Arvind Kejriwal, who has created this slum in Delhi, the slum should be outside his house also.
Right. That was Manjinder Singh Sirsa from the BJP, who continues to demand that Delhi should be cleaned. Joining back on the broadcast is Riyanka. Riyanka, tell us more about this. It comes at the edge when Delhi is all set to go to polls, and the Aam Aadmi Party, Swati Maliwal, has launched a protest against their garbage dumping in the national capital. Riyanka. Viewers, as we get Riyanka on the broadcast with us, reminding you that these are the live visuals from just moments ago, and Republic was the first to reach on ground to get you these visuals where Swati Maliwal was seen dumping garbage on the streets right outside ex-Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And this is the visual moments after, when the Delhi police's women constables escorted her. They picked her up and they forcefully tried to detain her, even as she resisted the detention. After being carried into the police van, her first statement to the media, where she said that she is not afraid of the Aam Aadmi Party goons or ex-Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. She also said that the public will give the Aam Aadmi Party an ultimatum this time around, because the party has failed to live up to its promises to clean Delhi. In fact, she alleged that the entire of the national capital has been changed into a big garbage heap by the Aam Aadmi Party's loose administration.
ट्रैफिक में भी रुझान उत्पन्न हुआ है।